Most people ignore a device problem until it becomes expensive, and that is exactly why small phone and laptop issues turn into major repairs. When it comes to phone battery replacement, the biggest mistake is waiting too long. A cracked screen can lead to touch failure, a weak battery can quickly become random shutdowns, and a small charging problem can eventually stop the device from powering on at all. The first smart step is proper diagnosis. People often assume they already know the issue, but in reality the visible symptom is not always the root cause. What looks like a battery problem may actually be a charging port issue, and what feels like a slow laptop may be caused by storage, heating, software, or hardware failure. The second step is asking better questions before booking any repair. Is the part quality clearly explained? Is testing included after the repair? Is there doorstep support available? Is the technician experienced with the device model you use every day? These questions help you avoid poor service and repeated repair costs. The third step is knowing when repair makes sense and when replacement is smarter. If the device is otherwise in good condition, a focused repair is usually far more affordable than buying a new one. But if multiple issues are stacking up together, replacement may save more money in the long run. For users in Delhi NCR, convenience also matters. A doorstep repair service saves travel time, reduces delays, and makes it easier to get urgent work or study devices checked quickly. Before any repair, always back up important data, remove sensitive access where possible, and make sure the final device is properly tested. That one habit alone can save a lot of stress. The best approach is simple. Identify the issue early, verify the diagnosis, and choose a trusted repair service instead of the cheapest random option. That is how most people save both time and money.